Walk into a room. You feel uneasy. People are standing close to each other, but nobody is really talking. There are some smiles, a few short sentences, and then silence again. It feels cold. Not the temperature, but the atmosphere. In English, this is the moment when someone needs to break the ice. The idiom break the ice means to do or to say something that helps people relax and start talking freely with one another. Let me show you how it works. Three short examples, two general and one in business and work setting. Imagine you're at a party. People are in small groups, but conversation is slow. The atmosphere feels cold. Then one person says, "Well, this room is very quiet. Maybe we need something to break the ice." So he tells a small joke about how nobody knows where the snacks are. Everybody laughs, and suddenly people began talking. Okay. Someone introduces themselves, another person joins in the conversation, and the room feels warmer and more relaxed. We say that the joke helped break the ice. Here's another example. Imagine the first day of a class, of your English class perhaps. Students are sitting there quietly. Many are looking at the board, looking at their phones, looking at the wall perhaps. Nobody knows each other yet. So the teacher says, "Before we start the lesson, let's break the ice." Turn to the person next to you and introduce yourself. Tell them your name and where you're from. Soon, the room becomes lively. Students start talking and smiling. The teacher has broken the ice. You also hear this idiom in business meetings. Here is an example for you. So, at the beginning of a meeting, people may feel very formal. Someone might make a light comment about the weather or the traffic. People laugh. The mood becomes easier and lighter. Again, that person has broken the ice. You also hear this idiom used in business meetings. At the beginning of a meeting, people may feel very formal. Then someone might make a light comment about the weather or the traffic. People laugh. The mood becomes easier and lighter. Again, that person has broken the ice. So remember, break the ice means to help people feel comfortable so that conversation can begin to flow. You can use it in many situations at work, at welcoming a new colleague, at a social event, or even at the start of a very serious business meeting. Anytime people feel a little awkward or unsure, someone can break the ice. Try saying it aloud. Break the ice.